Hey, Josh from Bernal Cutlery, and excited to share with you a new find. This is the Naozumi Nihonkou. This is the 240 Gyuto. We're going to get a big variety of knives from this maker and this line. They're made with the SK carbon steel. So Nihonkou means Japanese steel, and that's typically referring to SK steels. And they're easy to sharpen, hold their edge nicely. They don't rust quite as quickly as some other carbon steels. And, the price point on these is great. We are going, real direct to the source on these. So you will find, almost this exact same knife from more well-known brands for quite a bit more. But you don't have to, spend a lot of money to get a great knife in this kind of old-style Kanto Gyuto. This is the real old-style Japanese chef's knife, the single mono steel, carbon steel blade, Western handle. Kanto Gyutos are named after Tokyo, and they were made in that region for super long time. There's still a couple makers, but mostly this kind of small-scale industrial production has gone to the Seki area. And this knife is hand ground on the sides, and it's nice and convex, so it's not dead flat. It's not going to stick as much. It's not going to get thick as quickly as it gets sharpened down. It's a bit right-handed, so if you're right-handed, there's more convexity on the outside than on the inside. So if you're lefty, it might feel a little bit off. But great value on these. I'm really partial to these old-style Kanto Gyutos. Nice smooth cutting, easy sharpening. It's just great aspects of old-style carbon steel knives right here. And super stoked to see them still in production, and even happier to have a big grip of them to share with you. So check out our website, bernalcutlery.com. Naozumi.